Hello everyone, I'm Bhavna Sani and I'm back with the new video for class 10th and आज हम डे 15th है सैम्पल पेपर चैलेंज के मतलब हमने 50% ऑफ सैम्पल पेपर चैलेंज कंप्लीट कर लिया है. सो कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस टू यू ऑल. सिर्फ 15% और सैम्पल पेपर बचे हैं, बाकी सारे सैम्पल पेपर्स हमारे कंप्लीट हो गए. तो जनरल इंस्ट्रक्शंस वही है, टाइम अलॉटेड वही है, कोड वही है, पैटर्न वही है, बस क्वेश्चंस डिफरेंट है. ठीक है, सो वी आर स्टार्टिंग विद सेक्शन ए. सेक्शन ए आप लोगों को पता है कि वो रीडिंग स्किल है एंड रीडिंग स्किल्स में हमारे दो क्वेश्चन है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 फॉर 10 मार्क्स एंड अगेन क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 फॉर 10 मार्क्स. तो टोटल जो रीडिंग स्किल है वो 20 मार्क्स का है और दोनों ही क्वेश्चन जो है कॉम्प्रीहेंशन पैसेज है. ठीक है, तो अब हम ये स्टार्ट करते हैं कॉम्प्रीहेंशन पैसेज. ठीक है, रीड द फॉलोइंग टेक्स्ट. अब ये टेक्स्ट रीड करने से पहले एक बार हम ये क्वेश्चन रीड करते हैं. What concept was our forefathers life based upon? हमारी forefathers की life कौन से concept पे based थी? A. Satisfied with whatever they obtained after working hard. B. Simple living and high thinking. C. Excessive material wealth did not mean much for them. And D. All of the above. So let's see, read and ये समझते हैं कि इसका आंसर क्या होगा. So yes, the conquest of happiness has meant different facts to different generation. Our forefathers took pride in scholarship, a spirit of sacrifice and solicitude for the welfare of others. Gone are those days. Today we live only for ourselves. We are jealous of the advancement of our neighbors and we end up tense and unhappy. The term happy was a variety of meanings. It stands for the lucky, fortunate, content, glad or apt. Happiness lies within the mind of the individual. No amount of external wealth may be helpful in making him happy. Our forefathers had lifestyle very much different from those we have today. Their life was based mainly on the concept of simple living and high thinking. People were satisfied with whatever they obtained after hard working. Excessive material wealth did not mean much for them. They aimed at deriving mental satisfaction and enrichment from whatever they did. ठीक है, तो सारी चीज़ें यहाँ पे मेंशन्ड है. सैटिस्फाइड विद वॉट एवर दे ऑब्टेन्ड आफ्टर वर्किंग हार्ड. येस, दे बिलीव्ड इन सिंपल लिविंग एंड हाई थिंकिंग एंड एक्सेसिव मटीरियल डिड नॉट मीन मच फॉर देम. ये हमने तीनों स्टेटमेंट पढ़ी, तो इसका आंसर है डी पार्ट, दैट इज ऑल ऑफ द अबव. ऑलराइट, इसका नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखते हैं. अकॉर्डिंग टू द पैसेज स्टेट 2 एस्पेक्ट विच ब्रिंग आउट द डिफरेंस बिटवीन लाइव्स ऑफ आवर फोरफादर्स एंड टुडेज जनरेशन. तो हमें दो एस्पेक्ट बताने जिससे डिफरेंसेस पता लग रहा है हमारे फोरफादर्स की लाइफ में और आज की जनरेशन की लाइफ में. ठीक है, सो लेट्स रीड दिस. अभी हमने कहाँ तक, 3rd पैराग्राफ तक पढ़ा हुआ था, उसके आगे हम पढ़ते हैं. द स्ट्रक्चरल फ्रेमवर्क ऑफ आवर फोरफादर फैमिलीज वाज डिफरेंट फ्रॉम दोज ऑफ आवर्स. दे लिव्ड इन अ कोहेसिव जॉइंट फैमिली structure where they were happier than we. They cared for each other. The siblings grew up with their cousins. The bond of love which they share cannot be easily found in the nuclear family of the day. The family provided an emotional cushioning effect against the tension and stress. However, in the nuclear family, we are detached from the feeling towards our kith and kin. At times, even the cousins do not recognize one another when they happen to be self-centered. Disputes in the family may lead to division. This may finally destroy the family psyche. The joint family system provided a proper environment for the child to grow up. The value of respect, tolerance, responsibility, integrity, etc. were internalized in the child. In the long run, they became better human beings compared to those in the present generation. Our forefathers felt happiest in their children became honest human beings, but today we are happy only if we attain our coveted material ends. We are ready to resort any means to attain that end. Our philosophy of life has turned out totally Machiavellian. Our forefathers had a vision to make India the best. To attain their ambition, they were ready to make all sort of personal sacrifices. तो हम इतने sacrifices नहीं कर सकते. So to attain their ambition, they were ready to make all sort of personal sacrifices. Their happiness lay in that of millions of Indian brothers and sisters. That means they sacrificed their life for the nation as well. On the other hand, today people are ready to migrate to the west to enjoy a comfortable life. They run away from the evils of the Indian society without trying to remedy to them. Often they become successful in foreign lands, but in the process they become alienated from their motherland. The nostalgic feeling of their childhood and the relationship they left lingered on, which cannot make them happy. Distance from their ailing parents is a worrying factor and keep them perturbed. It is not easy for them to return, as their children will not be able to adjust to the Indian environment and the way of life. Thus, in our generation, tradition and modernity have intermingled to form our special system. ठीक है, तो इसका यही आ गया मेन यहाँ पे जो पॉइंट है वो सैक्रिफाइस से रिलेटेड ही है. द डिफरेंस बिटवीन द लाइव्स ऑफ आवर फोरफादर्स एंड टुडेज जनरेशन आर forefather lived a self-sacrificing life while today's generation lives a self-centered life. ठीक है, forefather would sacrifice anything for the nation, while today's generation would leave the nation for better and successful life. Clear? Complete the sentence appropriately. People are ready to migrate to West. Why? Because to have a successful life and to live there comfortably, right, and to have a successful life. So ये हमने कहाँ पे पढ़ा था? And yes, here it is. On the other hand, today people are ready to migrate to the West to enjoy a comfortable life. They run away from the evils of the Indian society without trying to remedy them, and often they become successful in foreign lands. Right? Clear? So let's see this answer. Yes, तो इसका आंसर है they want a comfortable and successful life away from the evils of the Indian society. The passage includes some words that are opposite to each other. From the set below, identify two sets of antonyms. मैं antonyms की बात कर रही हूँ. Antonyms मतलब opposite. तो sacrifice and solicitude नहीं, ये opposite नहीं है. Happy and unhappy opposite है. Satisfaction and enrichment नहीं है. Joint family और nuclear family opposite है, right? टू सेट्स ही ढूंढने थे तो यहीं पे हमारे टू सेट्स कंप्लीट हो जाते हैं. नेक्स्ट, कंप्लीट द सेंटेंस एप्रोप्रिएटली. पीपल हु माइग्रेट टू फॉरेन लैंड आर डैश विच मेक्स देम फील एंशियस एंड कंसर्न. ठीक है, पीपल हु माइग्रेट टू फॉरेन लैंड, जो माइग्रेट होते हैं फॉरेन लैंड में, बेसिकली वो अपने पेरेंट्स से दूर हो जाते हैं. दे आर डिस्टेंट फ्रॉम देयर एलिंग पेरेंट्स. ये अभी हमने लास्ट पैराग्राफ में पढ़ा था कि जो लोग हैं उन बेसिकली अपने पेरेंट्स से दूर हो जाते हैं. ठीक है, यहाँ पे ये मेंशन्ड है. डिस्टेंस फ्रॉम देयर एलिंग पेरेंट्स इज अ वरिंग फैक्टर एंड कीप्स देम पर्टर्ब्ड. ठीक है, तो तुम ये देख रहे हो कि हमने कितने फोकस से रीड किया था हमारा पैसेज हमने इतने फोकस से रीड किया था कि हमें आंसर क्वेश्चन देखते ही पता है कि हमारा आंसर कहाँ लिखा है. हमें बार बार गो थ्रू नहीं करना पड़ रहा, राइट. फिर उसके बाद आता है नेक्स्ट, फ्रॉम द पैसेज इंक्लूड सम वर्ड दैट आर अपोजिट ऑफ यू. हो गया. Supply one point to justify the following. The conquest of happiness has meant different facts to different generation. तो ये फर्स्ट लाइन है कि जो कॉन्क्वेस्ट है हैप्पीनेस की वो डिफरेंट जनरेशन्स के लिए डिफरेंट है. तो यहाँ पे ये भी बताया है कि भाई यहाँ पे हमारे इस स्टैंजा में हमारे फोर फादर्स की जनरेशन को हमारी जनरेशन से बेसिकली डिस्क्राइब किया हुआ है, डिफ्रेंशिएट किया हुआ है. एंड ये भी बताया कि आवर फोर फादर्स वर हैप्पी इन देयर नेशन अंडर द जॉइंट फैमिली सिस्टम. हाउएवर वी डू नॉट find out happiness in the same system and we prefer living alone in a nuclear family. ये हमने पढ़ा था सेकेंड पैराग्राफ में, right. The intermingle of modernity and tradition is shown by. तो intermingle of modernity and tradition किससे शो की गई है? Parents going to live at their children's place, B children staying away from their families, या फिर C children helping their parents or grandparents in using smart gadgets. D none of the above. So इसका करेक्ट आंसर है children helping their parents or grandparents using smart gadgets. Okay, how does the joint family system make a child a good human being? तो joint family system एक child को good human being कैसे बनाता है? जब हम एक child को good human being बनाने की बात करते हैं ना joint family, तो joint family से उसे sense of responsibility आती है, integrity आती है, tolerance आता है, एक दूसरे को tolerate करना, values आ जाती है. An individual with such values grows up to be a good human. Clear? Now we are moving on to the next passage. और जो next passage है फर्स्ट लाइन से पता लग रहा था that it is on COVID-19. तो एक बार इसका क्वेश्चन रीड करते हैं and then we will start reading the passage. Okay, complete the following sentence appropriately. A study revealed that dash aged between 18 and 25 had admitted to watching web series in a metro city like Mumbai. ठीक है, तो चलो देखते हैं इसका कहाँ लिखा है, आंसर कहाँ मिलता है हमें. The emergence of novel COVID-19 epidemic has been spreading in India, which brought the sudden lockdown situation in the country. After government execution of lockdown with different stages being rapidly changed their pattern of living, the affection of such control affected entertainment with several entities. Many production of entertainment programs get stopped. That result, the broadcast of new programs and several episodes has been stationary till the unlocked. To avoid the forfeiture in revenue, production houses use a concept of Minimax programming that belongs to repeated telecast of running or evergreen programs. Their current success may seem as an aberration at first glance. Doordarshan itself has replayed its old show in the past too, and these have also always gone unnoticed, says Sailesh Kapoor, founder and CEO at Omax Media. Meanwhile, the condition of movie theatre is much similar to the other entertainment substance that have been closed and unable to perceive the entertainment. Under such circumstances, web series enable to emphasize the audience with its own concept of anywhere, anytime, where audience can watch and interact with programs with their convenience and of personal media. Web series are developing a new breed for new content providers who produce fresh content for digital audience. Spreading the internet access in rural and urban areas is much responsible for increasing of audience of web series in digital platform. Since the revolution of 4G in India, OTT over the top platforms such as Hotstar, Netflix, Amazon Prime Video, Alt Balaji are delivering the content like web series, movies, TV serials, sports, and news with different languages to the user audience with a boundless quality. A study revealed that 95% of age between 18 and 25 had admitted watching web in metro cities. So here a study revealed that 95% of youth age between 18 and 25 have admitted to watching web series in a metro cities like Mumbai. तो यही था, तो इसका करेक्ट आंसर हो गया 95% of the youth. Clear? So let's see the answers. That is 95% of the youth. Fill in the blanks with appropriate words. Web series are creating a new kind of dash who produce fresh content for the people who watch movies or series on OTTs. तो अभी हमने यही पढ़ा कि जो web series है, they are basically giving new kind of content. ठीक है, ये for increasing of an audience. Web series in digital platform. Yeah, basically they are creating more content. They are delivering more content for web series and for OTT platform, over the top platform. So content providers हो गया. Web series are creating a new kind of content provider who produce fresh content for people who watch movies or series on OTT. तो एक और चीज़ यहाँ पे मैं mention करूँगी. It is mentioned here that under such circumstances, web series enable emphasizes the audience with its own concept of anywhere, anytime, where audience can watch and interact with programs with their convenience and of personal medium. Web series are developing a new Web series are developing a new breed for new content provider who produce fresh content for digital audience. Clear? तो यहाँ पे आपको second वाला भी मिल गया. फिर उसके बाद आते हैं नेक्स्ट वन. स्टेट वन एग्जाम्पल विच प्रूव्स द स्टेटमेंट कोविड-19 इंड्यूस्ड लॉकडाउन अफेक्टेड एंटरटेनमेंट इंडस्ट्री. ठीक है, तो इसमें क्या था कि जो प्रोडक्शन थी प्रोग्राम्स की एंटरटेनमेंट की वो स्टॉप हो गई थी. ठीक है, जो न्यू प्रोग्राम्स थे वो नहीं आ रहे थे और जो पुराने प्रोग्राम्स थे उसको रिपीट किया जा रहा था. ठीक है, सो यस, द इमर्जेंस ऑफ नोवेल कोविड-19 एपिडेमिक हैज स्प्रेड इन इंडिया विच ब्रॉट द सडन लॉकडाउन सिचुएशन इन इंडिया. ठीक है, फिर यहाँ पे ये भी आया कि under such circumstances it enable emphasis the audience with its own concept anywhere, anytime. ठीक है, वेब सीरीज आर डेवलपिंग अ न्यू कंटेंट फॉर डिजिटल ऑडियंस एंड स्प्रेडिंग द इंटरनेट एक्सेस इन रूरल एंड अर्बन एरियाज. और एक चीज़ यहाँ पे ये भी देखो, देयर करंट सक्सेस में सीम दूरदर्शन and to avoid the forfeiture in revenue, production houses use the concept of Minimax programming that belongs to repeated telecast of running or evergreen programs. ठीक है, और एक यहाँ पे दूरदर्शन itself has replaced its old shows in the past too. These have gone always unnoticed. तो इसमें यही बताना है आपने कि कोविड-19 जब आया था, it affected the entertainment industry badly. The production of many entertainment programs got stopped. Apart from this, any further broadcast of new episodes of एवरग्रीन प्रोग्राम वाज कैंसल्ड एंड जो रेवेन्यू के लिए सारे एवरग्रीन प्रोग्राम्स को रिपीट किया जा रहा था. स्टेट द रीजन इन द इंक्रीज इन द ट्रेंड ऑफ वेब सीरीज इन डिजिटल प्लेटफॉर्म. तो आपने रीजन बताना है कि ट्रेंड जो था वेब सीरीज का वो डिजिटल प्लेटफॉर्म में क्यों बढ़ गया, क्योंकि एनीवेयर एनी टाइम वाला जो फंडा था उसकी वजह से जब इंटरनेट एक्सेस ड्यूरिंग कोविड रूरल एरिया और अर्बन एरिया के कोने कोने तक पहुंचा, देन पीपल वर गेटिंग अट्रैक्ट टू दीज प्लेटफॉर्म्स. ठीक है, सो स्प्रेडिंग द इंटरनेट एक्सेस इन रूरल एंड अर्बन एरिया इज द रीजन बिहाइंड द इंक्रीज इन द ऑडियंस ऑफ वेब सीरीज इन डिजिटल प्लेटफॉर्म. नाउ सब्स्टिट्यूट द वर्ड फॉर फीचर विद वन वर्ड similar in meaning in the following sentence from paragraph 1. ठीक है, to avoid the forfeiture in revenue, production houses use the concept of minimax programming that belong to repeated telecast of running or evergreen program. तो ये हो गया to avoid the loss in revenue. Clear? Select the charge that appropriately represents the trend in the audience of watching web series. अगर मैं trend की बात करूँ in the audience of watching web series, तो जो लोग हैं, number of people from 2011 to 2014 has increased only. ठीक है, और rapidly increase हुआ है, तो that is option 2. ठीक है. Now, what do you understand by Minimax programming? How did दूरदर्शन apply it in India? अभी हमने दूरदर्शन वाला पॉइंट 2 बार पढ़ा. और उसी के ऊपर मिनिमाइज प्रोग्रामिंग का था. मिनिमाइज प्रोग्रामिंग का मतलब ही था कि भाई इट रेफर्स टू द रिपीटिंग ऑफ एवरग्रीन प्रोग्राम्स और टेलीकास्ट ऑफ रनिंग प्रोग्राम्स. राइट. दूरदर्शन अप्लाइड मिनिमाइज प्रोग्रामिंग इन इंडिया ड्यूरिंग लॉकडाउन बाय टेलीकास्टिंग रामायण. ओके, यू कैन ऑल्सो राइट by telecasting the old episodes. ठीक है. Which of the following is over the top platform delivering to the audience? Which of the following is OTT platform delivering to the audience? Movies and sport deliver कर रहे. Yes. Web and TV series, news with different languages. Yes, all of these is being delivered to us by OTT. Clear? So our next section is section B, and section B is grammar and writing. और ये बहुत easy है. 10 marks की आपकी grammar है और 10 marks की आपकी writing skills है. अगर मैं grammar की बात करूँ, there are 12 questions. You just have to attempt only 10 questions out of 12. So let's discuss. Blanks by choosing the correct option to complete the sentence. I dash following you in the evening today. ठीक है, तो आज शाम को मैं तुम्हें फॉलो करूंगा. I will be following you in the evening today. ठीक है, सो ये हो गया I will be following you in the evening today. Read the conversation between Radha and Anu. Complete the narration by reporting Radha's reply correctly. Today it was boring at school. Don't you think so, Radha? No, I think it was a fun day today. So while walking back from school, Anu and Radha were discussing their day when Anu asked Radha about her day at school, and Radha replied that unlike Anu, क्योंकि अनु को पसंद नहीं आया था, बोरिंग लगा था, और राधा के लिए फन डे था, तो दोनों के लिए अपोजिट हो गया. सो अनलाइक अनु, ठीक है, कैसे मेंशन करोगे? दैट अनलाइक अनु it was a fun day for her. ठीक है, या it was a fun day that day for her. ठीक है, समझ आया? So moving on to the next question. Next question says that select the correct option to fill in the blanks for the given line from a newspaper. Newspaper की line है, you have to fill in the blanks. In India, the death toll due to road accident has increased drastically. Wider road awareness among road user be taught to all the people. So wider road awareness among road users ought to be taught. Yes, ought to be taught to all the people. ठीक है, मतलब ये हमें सारे लोगों के अंदर अवेयरनेस फैलानी चाहिए. So ought to be. Select the option that identifies the error and supplies the correction for the following line from a newspaper report. तो जब भी आपको ऑप्शन दिए हो ना, मेक श्योर कि आप पहले ही एरर ढूंढ लो, ताकि ऑप्शंस देख के आपको कंफ्यूजन ना हो कि भाई क्या करना है. ठीक है. Dolphins and killer whales has learned an elaborate routine to entertain aquarium and audience. तो भाई डॉल्फिन्स एंड किलर है, तो ये प्लूरल फॉर्म हो गया दे. ठीक है, और दे के साथ हैज नहीं लगता, दे के साथ हैव लगता है, तो हैज का क्या आएगा? हैव. तो करेक्ट आंसर इज हैज का हैव. Okay, then moving on to the next one. Next one says that complete the given sentence by fill in the blank the correct option. I tried the new dish to see how it tasted. मैंने new dish try करी to see how it tasted. So yes, how it tasted. Fill in the blanks by using the correct form of the word in the bracket for the given portion of a magazine. High fat diets and life in the fast lane have dash to contribute to the high incidence of heart failure. So high fat diets and life in the fast lane have long been known बहुत टाइम से जाने जाते हैं टू कॉन्ट्रीब्यूट टू द हाई इंसिडेंस ऑफ हार्ट फेलियर. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, रिपोर्ट द डायलॉग बिटवीन अ टीचर एंड अ स्टूडेंट बाय कंप्लीटिंग द सेंटेंस. टीचर, आई इंस्ट्रक्टेड यू टू ड्रॉ अ डायग्राम ऑफ बैक्टीरिया. व्हाई डिड यू सबमिट अ ब्लैंक शीट? Student, sir, I had drawn the diagram of bacteria, but you can't see it because it is not visible to the naked eye. So, in response to the question about submitting a blank sheet, student respectfully answer that. यहाँ पे आ जाएगा that के बाद आएगा I की जगह he had drawn the diagram of bacteria. ठीक है, he had drawn the diagram of bacteria, but use टीचर के लिए यूज हुआ है तो ये हो जाएगा he. can't क्या होगा? could not. can't किस में चेंज होगा? could not see it because it was not visible to the naked eyes. ठीक है, it was not visible to the naked eyes. आया समझ? Then moving on to the next question, identify the error in the given sentence from an article and supply the correction. What many people do not knew is that unlike most of their fellow astronaut, Neil Armstrong was a civilian. ठीक है, तो इसका बहुत easy answer है. What many people do not knew is that unlike most of their fellow astronaut, Neil Armstrong was a civilian या the civilian. ये बहुत specified है, unspecified नहीं है, तो the specified चीज़ों के साथ लगता है. Mohit shared some information with Jyoti about visit to a circus. Report Jyoti question. Did you see the clowns in the circus? So Jyoti asked Mohit whether. WH से शुरू नहीं हो रहा तो आएगा whether. ठीक है, whether he saw. क्या आएगा? Whether he saw the clowns at the circus या in जो है at में change हो जाएगा. ठीक है, at the circus. ठीक है. Then next, identify the error in the given sentence and supply the correction. Will you show me the road to the market? So will you show me the road to the market इसका बहुत easy to guess है, तो क्या होगा? Could you show me the road to the market? तो will की जगह क्या होगा? Could. Could you show me the road to the market? Clear? Then moving on to the next question, select the correct option to complete the narration of the dialogue between Sarita and Gayatri. Sarita, I am really looking forward to the class picnic tomorrow. Gayatri, yes, after a long time we will be meeting our friends and teachers. Sarita told Gayatri that she was really looking forward to the class picnic the next day. Gayatri agreed that after a long time, ठीक है, after a long time तो we किस में change हो जाएगा? They. ठीक है, आफ्टर अ लॉन्ग टाइम दे विल बी. जब भी फ्यूचर में होता है आपका रिपोर्टेड स्पीच तो उसका वर्ब चेंज नहीं किया जाता. दे विल बी मीटिंग देयर फ्रेंड्स एंड टीचर्स. दे विल बी मीटिंग देयर फ्रेंड्स एंड टीचर्स. दे विल बी मीटिंग देयर फ्रेंड्स एंड टीचर्स. नेक्स्ट, आइडेंटिफाई द एरर इन द गिवन सेंटेंस एंड सप्लाई द करेक्शन. आई हैव नॉट गॉट मैनी चेंज. आई हैव ओनली गॉट 100 rupee note. ठीक है, सो आई हैवंट got much change. many change नहीं होता, much change होता है. I have only got a 100 rupee note. Clear? Now let's move on to the writing part. and जो writing part है, writing part आपका 10 marks का है. उसमें 2 question है. एक letter 5 marks का है और एक analytical paragraph जो भी 5 marks का है. दोनों letter और analytical paragraph में आपको options दिए जाएंगे. मतलब 2 letters होंगे, you have to attempt one. 2 analytical paragraph होंगे, you have to attempt any one. Right? So You are Abhimanyu Sikri, resident of 119 Nilgiri Apartment, Kirti Nagar, Delhi. You purchased a wardrobe made of recycled wood shaving from Messrs Pawan Sales, Ramesh Nagar, Delhi. Write a letter to the write a letter of complaint to the sales manager asking for replacement of the product which you purchased 15 days ago. You have found that doors do not shut and the paint is uneven. ठीक है, तो ये हो गया आपका लेटर ऑफ कंप्लेंट. ठीक है, एड्रेस गिवन है, आपका नाम गिवन है. तो देखते हैं कि ये लेटर में क्या है. एंड इस लेटर में देयर आर सम मिस्टेक. लेट्स स्पॉट आउट दिस मिस्टेक एंड मेक श्योर व्हेनेवर यू वर डूइंग द लेटर स्टार्ट विद द न्यू पेज. मिडिल से मत शुरू करना लेटर, हमेशा न्यू पेज से स्टार्ट करना है. ठीक है. सो 119 नीलगिरी अपार्टमेंट, कीर्ति नगर, दिल्ली. तो जो सेंटर एड्रेस है वो 3 लाइन्स में होता है. ऑलराइट, वो 3 लाइन्स में होता है. तो हम लिख सकते हैं हाउस नंबर 119, देन उसके नीचे नीलगिरी अपार्टमेंट. ठीक है, उसके नीचे नीलगिरी अपार्टमेंट, फिर कीर्ति नगर, दिल्ली. एंड देन वी हैव टू लीव अ लाइन. 25 अगस्त 2019 कॉमा के साथ आएगा, बट यहाँ पे TH नहीं आएगा. एंड उसके बाद अगेन वी हैव टू लीव अ लाइन. किसको लेटर लिखना है हमने मेंशन्ड है, द सेल्स मैनेजर मेसेंस पवन सेल, रामेश नगर, दिल्ली. तो ये सेंडर एड्रेस भी 3 लाइन्स में आएगा, तो ये करेक्ट है. वी हैव टू लीव अ लाइन. फिर आते सब्जेक्ट, कंप्लेंट अबाउट फॉल्टी वार्डरोब, और आपको सब्जेक्ट को अंडरलाइन करना है. अगेन यू हैव टू लीव अ लाइन. उसके बाद आता है सर, और सर के साथ कॉमा नहीं आया. ठीक है, फिर आपने 3 पैराग्राफ में लिखना है. ये आपका हो गया पहला पैराग्राफ, ये हो गया दूसरा पैराग्राफ, और ये हो गया आपका तीसरा पैराग्राफ. तीसरे पैराग्राफ के बाद दोबारा यू हैव टू लीव अ लाइन. सो लेट्स रीड द बॉडी ऑफ द लेटर. आई हैड परचेज्ड अ वार्डरोब ऑन 2nd August 2019. White cash memo number 355 with teak wood finish and tan color. The wardrobe is not of acceptable quality and does not match in sample wardrobe that I was shown in the store. The doors of the wardrobe do not open and shut properly, and the stain on the wardrobe is uneven, with one half darker than the other. So I would like you to replace it with one of the same quality as the sample and arrange for return of the faulty wardrobe at your cost. I would like to have this problem fixed quickly, else I will lodge a formal complaint with Consumer Court. After that you have to leave a line, and line छोड़ के आपने लिखना है thanking you. क्या लिखना है? thanking you. फिर line छोड़ के आपने लिखना है yours truly. I would prefer you to write truly because पहले की टेंशन ही खत्म होगी. then अभिमन्यु सीकरी. ठीक है. then moving on to the next question. If we move on to the next question, we have this question. You are नरेंद्र शर्मा. So let's see क्या क्या आपको इन्फॉर्मेशन दी हुई है. तो अभी क्या बोला हुआ है that you are नरेंद्र शर्मा या नितिन शर्मा, head fitness group of Gold Gym, 234 Ram Vihar, Delhi. You wish to purchase certain herbal medicines and wellness products. Write a letter to store manager Messrs East India, 54 Preet Vihar, Delhi, placing an order for the specific products required by you. ठीक है, तो ये हो गया सेंडर्स एड्रेस गोल्ड जिम 234 राम विहार, दिल्ली 110087. तो ये आपका बिल्कुल परफेक्ट है. ठीक है, 3 लाइन्स में आएगा लेटर. देन यू हैव टू लीव अ लाइन. उसके बाद आएगी डेट, लेकिन डेट में प्रॉब्लम ये है कि यहाँ पे हम TH नहीं लगाएंगे. 30 जुलाई 2020, वट एवर यू वॉन्ट टू राइट. द स्टोर मैनेजर, लीव अ लाइन. द स्टोर मैनेजर ईस्ट इंडिया प्रीत विहार और दिल्ली. आप यहीं पे लिखो, अलग से नीचे मत लिखो. 3 लाइन्स में लिखना है क्योंकि हमें एड्रेस. देन वी हैव टू लीव अ लाइन. आ गया सब्जेक्ट, ऑर्डर फॉर हर्बल मेडिसिन एंड वेलनेस प्रोडक्ट. अंडरलाइन द सब्जेक्ट. देन अगेन लीव अ लाइन एंड राइट सर, और सर के यहाँ पे कॉमा को हटाओ. वी हैव, उसके बाद जो कंटेंट है वो 3 पैराग्राफ में आएगा आपके. वी हैव रिसेंटली ओपनड अ फिटनेस सेंटर एट राम विहार एंड हेंस वी रिक्वायर सर्टेन हर्बल मेडिसिन्स and wellness product. You are the biggest wholesale suppliers of products and offer the most competitive prices and prompt services. The order is as follows. So let's see क्या order है. नीम पार हर्बल लाइफ 250, एलोवेरा जेल DWC 500. अगर आपको कंपनी नहीं पता तो कुछ भी लिख देना. XYZ यहाँ पे प्रोटीन शेक, वाइटामिन, जो इजी लगे वो लिख देना. ठीक है. We expect at least 15% discount and proper packing of the product. In case of any damage in transit, the good will be returned at your cost. Payment would be made by check once the consignment is received. We expect prompt delivery within a week. उसके बाद within a week के बाद you will leave a line. ठीक है, क्या करोगे, यू विल अगेन लीव अ लाइन, ठीक है, यहाँ पे लाइन जाएगी, थैंकिंग यू योर्स ट्रूली, आई वुड प्रेफर यू टू राइट योर्स ट्रूली बिकॉज फिर स्पेलिंग की टेंशन खत्म हो जाएगी, नरेंद्र शर्मा हेड फिटनेस ग्रुप, ठीक है। देन नाउ लेट्स मूव ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन। तो जो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है आपका वो है एनालिटिकल पैराग्राफ। देयर आर 2 एनालिटिकल पैराग्राफ बट यू हैव टू परफॉर्म एनी वन, ठीक है। तो इसमें बेसिकली आपको डाटा दिया होगा एनालिटिकल पैराग्राफ में, आपने कुछ भी नहीं करना, यू जस्ट हैव टू रीड दैट, आपको एनालाइज करना उस डाटा को, एनालाइज करके उसको समराइज करना है और कंक्लूड करना है, ठीक है। सो लेट्स रीड द एनालिटिकल पैराग्राफ। अटेम्प्ट एनी वन फ्रॉम ए एंड बी गिवन बिलो। तो 2 क्वेश्चन गिवन है, यू हैव टू अटेम्प्ट एनी वन, ठीक है। द फॉलोइंग डाटा इन द फॉर्म ऑफ हिस्टोग्राम, तो ये हिस्टोग्राम की फॉर्म में है, शोज द डेथ रेट इन थाउजेंड्स ड्यू टू वायलेंस हैज इंक्रीज कंसिडरेबली ड्यूरिंग recent year. Write its interpretation in 100 to 120 words on how educated youth can play a major role in establishing पीस इन सोसाइटी, ठीक है। तो ये आपका ग्राफ है, दीज आर द डेथ्स इन 1000, 1990 में अराउंड 2000 समथिंग थी, 1995 में बढ़ती गई, 2000 में बढ़ती गई और 2010 में तो बहुत ही ज़्यादा हो गई, ठीक है। सो यस, रोल ऑफ यूथ इन एस्टैब्लिशिंग पीस इन सोसाइटी, टॉपिक लिखने के सीधा 1 मार्क। यूथ एंड पीस आर इंटरलिंक्ड इन सोसाइटी, यूथ कैन प्ले एन important role in establishing peace in society. In a survey conducted, it has been found that number of deaths due to violence has increased enormously since the 90s. Death rate in thousands was 2.5 in 1990, but in 2010 it has increased to 7.5. It is really very sad. It must be checked. Our youth can play a major role in controlling this crime graph. They can contribute towards establishing peace in many ways. They can awaken the people towards the necessity of peace. They can help the police in catching criminals. They can bring the criminals in the mainstream by educating them, and they can do much more. ठीक है, अब सेकेंड एनालिटिकल पैराग्राफ देखते हैं क्या है। द टेबल बिलो शो द रिस्क ऑफ डेथ पोस्ड बाय 5 डिफरेंट कॉजेज इन 2 इनकम ग्रुप्स ऑफ पीपल along with the world average of these deaths. Study the data carefully and then summarize it in the form of an analytical paragraph in 100 to 120 words. So indoor smoke for solid fuel, world में 3.3% risk of death, लो एंड मिडिल इनकम कंट्रीज में 3.9 और हाई इनकम कंट्रीज में नो डेथ। अनसेफ ड्रिंकिंग वाटर का दिया हुआ है, अर्बन आउटडोर एयर पोल्यूशन का दिया हुआ है, ग्लोबल क्लाइमेट का दिया हुआ है और लेड एक्सपोजर का दिया हुआ है। सो लेट्स रीड risk of death. The table shows some statistic related to deaths among low and middle income groups as well as high income groups due to 5 reasons. Indoor smoke from solid fuels, unsafe water, insanitation and lack of hygiene, urban outdoor pollution, global climate change and lead exposure, as is clear from the data that high income group people die of the outdoor pollution more than any other cause. They account for 2.5% of all deaths, which is higher than the world average of 2.0%. A mere 0.1% people of this group die of drinking unsafe water, insanitation or lack of hygiene. On the other hand, the lower and the middle income group has mortality rate higher than the world average in all categories except urban outdoor air pollution, where it is 0.1% less than the world average of 2%. These groups account for 3.9% and 3.8% deaths due to indoor smoke from the solid fuels and unsafe drinking water, insanitation and lack of hygiene respectively. Global climate change and lead exposure account for 0.3 deaths each among this group. Overall, more people in the lower and middle income group die of the given cases. Take causes. Now we are moving on to the next section. Next section is section number C, which includes only literature. 40 marks की है, इसमें footprint without feet भी आता है और first flight भी आता है, ठीक है। So you have to read all the chapters very thoroughly. Read करना बहुत important है क्योंकि RTC इसके लिए हमें देखना पड़ेगा कि कौन से chapter से है। Let's get started to literature. आर इंटायर, अच्छा क्वेश्चन 6 की बात करें तो ये आरटीसी है एंड आरटीसी फुटप्रिंट विदाउट फीट और फर्स्ट फ्लाइट दोनों में से होगा. यू हैव टू अटेम्प्ट एनी वन क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 में, ठीक है, और दिया होगा आपको. और इंटायर क्लास इज क्वेकिंग इन इट्स बूट. द रीजन ऑफ कोर्स इज द forthcoming meeting in which the teacher decide who will move up to the next form and who will be kept back. Half the class is making bets. GN and I laugh ourselves silly at the two boys behind us, CN and JKS, who have staked their entire holiday saving on their bet from morning to night. It's you're going to pass. No, I'm not. Yes, you are. No, I'm not. Even G's pleading glances and my angry outburst can't calm them down. If you ask me, there was so many dummies that about a quarter of the class should be kept back. But teachers are most unpredictable creatures on the earth. कौन से चैप्टर्स है ये? फ्रॉम द डायरी ऑफ एने फ्रैंक. इसमें मेंशन्ड है बट ज़रूरी नहीं है कि आपके बोर्ड्स में भी मेंशन्ड हो. सो इसलिए सारे चैप्टर्स को थॉरली रीड करना है. सो लेट्स सी क्या क्वेश्चन आया हुआ है. Why does the following, what does the following imply? CN and Jacques taking their entire holiday saving on their bet. ठीक है, तो बेसिकली CN और Jacques ने पूरी छुट्टियां बेट पे निकाल दी थी. और बेट किस बात पे थी? दैट यू विल गोइंग टू पास एंड द अदर वन सेज नो यू विल गोइंग टू पास. ठीक है, सो CN Jacques taking their entire holiday saving on their bet implies that they both think that the other one will pass. ठीक है, Annie says that there were so many dummies in the class that about a quarter of them should not be promoted. If is she being rude or brutally honest? Evaluate in about 40 words. तो मैं यही बोलूँगी कि जैसे Annie ने बोला कि there were so many dummies and quarter of the class should be remain back, but जो टीचर है वो बहुत ही अनप्रडिक्टेबल क्रिएचर है. सो आई से दैट शी इज़ ब्रूटली ऑनेस्ट. मेनी स्टूडेंट्स इन द क्लास doubted if they would be promoted in the next class. They remained anxious and would discuss this all day. They would make bets on who would be promoted. C and Jacques had even staked their entire holiday saving on their bet. ठीक है, फिर आता है स्टेट ट्रू और फॉल्स. नन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग A to D बिलो शो केस द रियलिटी. क्या A to D जो है वो रियलिटी नहीं शो करता? whether this is true or false. The teacher will decide whom to promote to the next form. This is the reality. तो ये A तो शो करता है, तो obviously it is false. ठीक है, the teacher will decide who should be kept back. No. A quarter of the class was dummies who should be kept back. No. A quarter of the class was dummies who should be kept back. No. So I think the teachers will decide whom to promote to the next form is the correct one. So this is false. Which emotion is portrayed in the expression quaking in their boot? Quaking in their boot का क्या मतलब होता है? They were nervous and fear. That is why they were quaking in the boot. ठीक है. Next, she was not convinced. ये next RTC है and आपने उस A या B में से एक attempt करना है. She was not convinced. No, she replied. There is nothing more humiliated than to have a shabby air in the midst of rich women. Then her husband carried out, how stupid we are. Go and find your friend Madame Forestier and ask her to lend you her jewel. She uttered a cry of joy. It is true, she said. I had not thought of that. कौन से चैप्टर से नेकलेस? यहाँ मेंशन है, ज़रूरी नहीं है बोर्ड्स में मेंशन हो. So why did she need the jewel? Jewel क्यों चाहिए था? To go to the party of rich people. So yes, option A, to go to the party of rich people. What did Matilda's husband suggest her कि अपनी friend Madame Forestier से जाके जूल को borrow कर लो. So yes, Matilda's husband suggested that she should borrow jewel from her rich friend. Read the following description A to C and identify which one correctly corresponds to the extract. Is it a debate? No, it is not a debate. It is a soliloquy. No, it is not a soliloquy, but it is a dialogue. Yes, it is a dialogue between two people. ठीक है, इन द प्ले. सो ये है मैडम लॉइजल, मिस्टर लॉइजल और मिसेस लॉइजल के बीच में ये डायलॉग था. सो आ गया सी पार्ट. व्हाट काइंड ऑफ अ पर्सन इज मैडम लॉइजल एंड व्हाई इज शी ऑलवेज अनहैप्पी? सो मैडम लॉइजल वाज अ प्रिटी यंग लेडी बट शी बिलोंग टू अ पुअर फैमिली. शी वाज मैरिड टू अ क्लर्क. शी हैड ग्रेट एस्पिरेशंस इन लाइफ. हर पॉवर्टी एंड लैक ऑफ रिकॉग्निशन मेड हर एंग्री एंड अनहैप्पी. अब आते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 7. क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 जो है अगेन आपका RTC है बट ये पोएम से है, तो यू हैव टू आंसर दैट. I am an orphan roaming the street. I pattern soft dust with my hushed bare feet. The silence is golden, the freedom is sweet. Don't eat that chocolate, Amanda. Remember your acne, Amanda. Will you please look at me when I am speaking to you, Amanda? So fill in the blanks with one word. कौन सी poem से Amanda से? The extract shows that the speaker, Amanda's mother, is dash about Amanda's acne and care of her. तो यहाँ पे जो Amanda की mother है, she is saying that remember your acne, look at me when I'm talking to you. So we can say that Amanda's mother is concerned about her acne, ठीक है, and she cares for her. How does the use of metaphor impact this extract? अब metaphor use किया गया तो ये कैसे impact कर रहा है इस extract पे? So by an imagination and by helping the writer convey more emotions. यहाँ पे जैसे उसने बोला कि that I am an orphan roaming the street, the silence is golden, the freedom is sweet, patterns of dust with my hushed bare feet. तो यहाँ पे metaphor use की गई है by to make it more imaginative. Clear? Why is Amanda imagining being an orphan? Amanda is imagining being an orphan to live a life of freedom. She is constantly scolded by her mother, so she escapes her into her own world of imagination, wherein she lives a peaceful life all alone. Clear? What is the pet estimating by making silence golden? ठीक है, the worth of silence, the worth of beauty, the value of independence, the worth of privacy. So the correct answer is the worth of silence. Clear? Then moving on to the next stanza. ये इसमें से और उसमें से एक attempt करना है. Let's see ये कौन सा है. He stalks in his vivid stride, the few steps of his cage on pads of velvet quiet. In his quiet rage, he should be lurking in shadow, sliding through long grass near the water hole where plump deer pass. So complete the sentence. The poetic device used in the first line, he stalks in his vivid stride. कौन सी है? personification, क्योंकि he use किया हुआ है, person की quality डाली हुई है, and he जो है वो animal के लिए use नहीं किया जाता. So personification because the poet has used he for the tiger. What is the significance of the use of the phrase quiet rage to describe the mood of the tiger in the poem, and how does this word choice contribute to overall mood and tone of the poem? तो यहाँ पे ये बता रहा है कि जो tiger है he could only walk few steps in the cage because he is locked in a cage, right? तो वो ना अपना गुस्सा दिखा पा रहा है and he is controlling his anger, so we can say that is quiet rage. ठीक है, so the tiger could walk only a few steps because he was locked in a very small cage. He was in a quiet rage as his freedom has been curtailed. He suppressed his anger and frustration because he was powerless in the captivity. The poet used an oxymoron, quiet rage, to capture his mood. Oxymoron क्या होता है? When two opposite words are used together. Quiet is silence and rage is anger. So quiet rage is used together, so that is oxymoron. Complete the sentence with the appropriate option. According to the extract, the poet wishes for the tiger to be sliding through the foliage as this would keep the prey unsuspecting. मतलब शिकार को नहीं पता लगेगा कि उसका शिकारी आराम से पीछे खड़ा है. So keep the prey unsuspecting of the predator's footstep. ये बहुत सारे पेपर में रिपीट हुआ है क्वेश्चन. Identify the type of imagery used in the lines of the poem. अब क्या imagery है? Visual imagery है. पोएट डिस्क्राइब कर रहा है कि जो टाइगर है अपने विविड स्ट्राइप्स में है, शैडो के पीछे छुपा हुआ है, lurking in shadow, stalking enraged in captivity, he is walking in a cage and he is closed in a cage, sliding in the long grass and walking on velvet pads. ये सब imagery है. Auditory imagery is used to describe the silence of the tiger. Now we are moving on to question number 8. तो जो आपका question number 8 है वो आपकी first flight से है. There are 5 questions you have to attempt any 4, right? And 40 to 50 words में answer करना है and each question is of 3 marks each, right? Why did the woman in the control center give a strange look to the narrator? अब woman जो control center में उन्होंने strange look क्यों दी narrator को? The woman in the control center was surprised क्योंकि जब narrator ने आगे पूछा कि black aeroplane का pilot का है तो उन्होंने बोला कि भाई यहाँ पे तो रडार में सिर्फ तुम्हारा ही प्लेन शो कर रहा था और कोई प्लेन नहीं था. So the woman in the control center was surprised when the narrator said that he wanted to show his gratitude to the pilot of the other aeroplane who saved his life because there was no other aeroplane visible in the radar. The narrator's was the only 1. Clear? When did the baker collect his bill? Usually where was his account recorded? तो बेकर अपने बिल कहाँ कलेक्ट करता था एंड वो अपने अकाउंट्स को कहाँ रिकॉर्ड करता था? सो बेकर और ब्रेड सेलर यूज टू कलेक्ट हिज बिल एट द एंड ऑफ एवरी मंथ. People used to record the monthly accounts on the wall with a pencil for calculating the daily amount, and then they paid it off at the month end. How can one obtain the peace of mind after dear one's death? So after dear one's death, everyone feels disturbed and sad. But for obtaining peace of mind, one should overcome sorrow with a composed attitude and pray for the bereaved soul to rest in peace. One should accept the inevitable move on in life. नेक्स्ट इज हाउ इज डिवाइन लव डिफरेंट फ्रॉम ह्यूमन लव. डिवाइन लव ह्यूमन लव से डिफरेंट क्यों है? डिवाइन लव इज एवरलास्टिंग एंड ट्रांसेंड फिजिकल ब्यूटी, whereas human love is restricted to physical or external beauty only. In divine love, the beauty of the soul is given priority, wherein virtues and qualities of the head and heart are appreciated, whereas human love gives priority to the body and physical charm. Clear? Next आता है the ending of the poem indicates a celebration of विक्ट्री डिस्कस. तो ये ट्रीज की बात हो रही है. जो पोएम एंड हुई थी तो इट वॉज विक्ट्री फॉर द वुमेन, इट वॉज विक्ट्री फॉर द ट्री बिकॉज नाउ दे आर इन द वर्ल्ड, नाउ द वर्ल्ड इज ओपन टू देम, राइट? द पोएम ends on a happy note as trees have been able to break the bondage of homes and move out of the windows to go back to their natural environment. This symbolically points out the triumph of women in winning their fight for equity and independence. Women have busted the myths about them created by patriarchal society and are establishing themselves as equal to men. Clear? Then next question is question number 9. There are 3 questions and you have to attempt any 2. ठीक है, अब 3 क्वेश्चन में से सिर्फ 2 ही अटेम्प्ट करने हैं. तो पहला क्वेश्चन ये है और ये आपका फर्स्ट फुटप्रिंट्स विदाउट फीट से है. Why was the narrator shocked at Tricky's appearance? The narrator was shocked at Tricky's appearance because he had become very fat, like bloated sausage with a leg at each corner. His eyes looked bloodshot and rheumy, stared straight ahead, and his tongue lolled from his jaws. He needed immediate attention. Clear? Who was Griffin? What did he want to prove through his repeated experiment? Okay, Griffin was a scientist, and with his repeated experiments, he wanted to prove that human body can become invisible. To prove this, finally, he swallowed certain drugs, and his body became as transparent as a sheet of glass. Clear? What subject did Richard Ebright choose for the next year's science fair? Richard Ebright was determined to do a real experiment for the next year's science fair, and the subject he chose was about insect. He chose this subject because he had a vast knowledge about it, and it was easy for him to get the necessary detail for the experiments. Next आता है question number 10. मैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 10 की बात करूँ तो लॉन्ग क्वेश्चन है, 6 मार्क्स का है, फर्स्ट स्लाइड से. देयर आर 2 क्वेश्चंस, यू हैव टू आंसर एनी वन. 100 to 120 वर्ड्स में आपने आंसर करना है, ठीक है. हाउ डज द कैरेक्टर ऑफ लेंचो इंस्पायर अस टू हैव अ फेथ इन गॉड? हाउ डिड ही रिएक्ट टू द हेल्प ऑफर्ड बाय द पोस्ट ऑफिस एम्प्लॉयज? व्हाट वाज हिज रिएक्शन टुवर्ड्स द पोस्ट ऑफिस एम्प्लॉयज? बहुत ईजी है ये. सो लेंचो वाज अ पुअर फार्मर who is completely dependent on the harvest of his field to survive and fulfill the basic needs of his family. यहाँ dependent की spelling गलत है. He used to dependent. Okay, he used to work day and night and was really optimistic and desired to have a good harvest. Unfortunately, his hope for a good harvest turned into despair when an unpredicted hailstorm destroyed his crops. He became worried about his family's survival, but he was sure that God would certainly help him in that difficult situation. Lencho was a victorious and innocent devotee of God. Due to his firm faith in God, he urged him to send 100 pesos. He reacted angrily towards the help offered by the post office employees. His firm faith in God made him angry when he found only 70 pesos in the envelope instead of 100 pesos as demanded. बहुत ही easy है ये. He believed that God could not make much a mistake of sending him less money, so he suspected that the post office employees had stolen his money. Clear? नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन आता है इसी का, हु वॉज द रियल हीरो? हाउ डिड ही सेव द अदर एनिमल्स? वॉज ही प्राउड ऑफ हिज बिहेवियर? जस्टिफाई योर आंसर विद इंस्टेंस फ्रॉम द पोएम. कौन सी पोएम है ये? द टेल ऑफ कस्टर्ड द ड्रैगन. क्लियर? So Custard the dragon was the real hero in the poem. When the pirate had entered their house, he had proved his bravery while the other had suspected to safety. On hearing the sound of the pirate's entry, Custard had jumped up and snorting like an engine, he had attacked the pirate. On the other hand, the pirate had gulped some grog and fired 2 bullets at him. But they had not hit the dragon at all, so Custard went ahead and gobbled up the pirate. As he had saved everyone's life, everybody appreciated his bravery, but the dragon did not acknowledge his bravery as he was a humble dragon. Moreover, when the other boasted about their bravery, Custard readily agreed that everyone was braver than him. In the end, though he was the savior who had gobbled up the pirate, Custard kept crying for a nice safe catch and went back to his cowardly ways. That means he did not show off his strength to the other. Clear? नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 11 की बात करें. क्वेश्चन नंबर 11 जो है ना आपका, वो फुटप्रिंट्स विदाउट फीट से है. लॉन्ग क्वेश्चन है, 6 मार्क्स का है. 100 to 120 वर्ड्स में आंसर करना है. देयर आर 2 क्वेश्चंस, यू हैव टू आंसर एनी वन. क्लियर? Ossible knew Fowler was very disappointed on seeing him. What did Ossible say to him and how did he console him? So Ossible knew that the Fowler was pretty disappointed on seeing him. Fowler had been told that he was to meet a secret agent, a spy, dealing in a espionage and danger. He repeated question है तो मैं सिर्फ read कर रही हूँ. He had wished to meet Ossible because Fowler was a young and romantic writer who imagined a secret agent to be associated with mysterious figures in the night, the crack of pistols and the drugs in the wine. Instead, Fowler had to spend a dull evening in a French music hall with a sloppy fat man who, instead of having messages slipped into his hand by dark-eyed beauties, got only an ordinary telephone calls making an appointment in his room. Though Ossible's appearance did not match that of a secret agent and he did not really fit the description of one, he was indeed a very intelligent and smart agent. Ossible understood Fowler's disillusionment and told him to take cheer because he would presently see an important paper for which several people had risked their lives and that could well affect the course of history. Clear? अब इसी का next और part आता है. Bolly has multiple handicap. She is a girl. She has pockmarks. She stammers. How can we manage the social attitude towards the differently able? Okay, so Bolly is physically challenged. She is a slow girl. She has pockmarks and only stammers. What difference does it make? She is a human being and she should be treated and honored like other human beings. If a person lacks something on the one hand, he or she is compensated on the other by God. We see so many examples and instances in the society which that disability of any kind is not an obstacle in one's life. Helen Keller was blind but proved to be a successful writer at the end. Sudha Chandra is an example of indomitable will who despite losing one leg became a dancer of world fame. The social attitude towards these people should not be one of pity. They should be appreciated that in spite of on one's weakness they are struggling hard to survive. The society will have to change its attitude towards differently abled people. और यहाँ पे हमारा ये सैम्पल पेपर कंप्लीट होता है. अगर बाकी सैम्पल पेपर भी अभी आपने नहीं किए हैं, उन सब का लिंक नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में मिल दिया गया है. सो आई विल बी मीटिंग यू गाइज इन माई नेक्स्ट वीडियो विद द नेक्स्ट सैम्पल पेपर. बाय बाय एवरीवन.